Hi students, today we discuss chlorine preparation and its properties. First, we discuss preparation of chlorine. The chlorine is prepared in three ways. First method is the chlorine was first discovered in 1774 by Scheele scientist by the action of concentrated hydrochloric acid on manganese dioxide. The reaction is the manganese dioxide is reacted with 4 moles of concentrated hydrochloric acid form manganese dichloride and chlorine dioxide gas and water molecule is formed. The second method is Decaun's process. In Decaun's process, oxidation of hydrochloric gas by the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of copper chloride catalyst. The reaction is the hydrochloric acid is reacted with oxygen in the presence of copper chloride catalyst and it is heated up to 723 Kelvin temperature from chlorine dioxide gas. The third method is electrolytic process. This can also be named as a Nelson's cell method. In electrolytic process, we can take brine solution. What is meant by brine solution? 10% of sodium chloride solution. We have to name it as a brine solution. This brine solution on electrolysis, chlorine dioxide gas is liberated at anode. Look at the reaction here. The sodium chloride, that means the brine solution, undergo electrolysis. This sodium chloride undergo dissociation, form Na plus and Cl minus ions. At anode, the chloride ions releases electrons and that will be converted as a chlorine dioxide gas. At cathode, the water molecules takes two electrons which will be released by this chloride anion and that will be converted as a hydrogen gas and hydroxide ions are also formed here. The sodium cation and hydroxide anions are combined together form sodium hydroxide. That means at anode the chlorine dioxide gas is liberated, at cathode hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide formed as a final products. In this way the chlorine dioxide gas is prepared in electrolytic process. Now we discuss the properties of chlorine. First, the chlorine reacts with a number of metals and non-metals form chlorides. Here we can take aluminium. Aluminium reacted with chlorine dioxide gas form aluminium trichloride. Sodium reacts with chlorine form sodium chloride. Iron is reacted with chlorine form ferric trichloride. These are the metal reactions with chlorine form chlorides. Next, reaction with non-metals. When phosphorus is reacted with chlorine, form phosphorus trichloride. Sulfur is reacted with chlorine, form sulfuryl chloride. That means here the chlorides are formed by the reaction with metals and non-metals. Next, the chlorine has a great affinity with hydrogen. So, the chlorine is reacted with hydrogen, form hydrochloric acid. Next, the chlorine is reacted with excess of ammonia, form ammonium chloride and nitrogen dioxide gas. The reaction is, we can take excess of ammonia, that means 8 moles of ammonia is reacted with 3 moles of chlorine dioxide gas, form ammonium chloride and nitrogen gas is liberated in this reaction. When excess of chlorine is reacted with ammonia, form nitrogen trichloride and hydrogen chloride gas. That means ammonia is reacted with 3 moles of chlorine dioxide gas and form nitrogen trichloride. It is explosive in nature and also form hydrochloric acid. Next, the chlorine is reacted with cold and dilute sodium hydroxide. When cold and sodium dilute hydroxide is reacted with chlorine dioxide gas, form sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite, NaOCl, its formula, and water molecules are formed in this reaction. when chlorine is reacted with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide, the reaction is sodium hydroxide. We have to take 6 moles. That will be reacted with 3 moles of chlorine dioxide gas, form sodium chloride, sodium chlorate. That means formula NaClO3 and water molecules are formed. The difference when dilute sodium hydroxide is reacted with chlorine forms sodium hypochlorite, and when reacted with concentrated sodium hydroxide form sodium chlorate. This is the difference between dilute and concentrated sodium hydroxide reactions with chlorine. Now the chlorine is reacted with dry slacked lime gives bleaching powder. This is the one of the important reaction. That means slacked lime formula is calcium hydroxide. That will be reacted with chlorine, form bleaching powder, formula CaOCl2 into H2O. Next, reaction with potassium iodide. Chlorine reacts with potassium iodide, form potassium chloride and iodine. That means 2 moles of potassium iodide is reacted with chlorine, form potassium chloride and iodine. Next, reaction with water. When chlorine is reacted with water molecule, form hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid, formula HOCl. The formed hypochlorous acid is very unstable, so it is further dissociated as hydrochloric acid and nascent oxygen is released here. This nascent oxygen kills the organisms which will be presented in a water. So here we can take chlorine as an anti-chlor. Next, reaction with hydrocarbons. When alkanes like methane is reacted with chlorine in the presence of UV rays, undergo substitution reaction, form chloroform and hydrochloric acid. That means the alkanes is reacted with chlorine, undergo substitution reactions, form chloroform and hydrochloric acid. When alkenes, that means unsaturated compounds, are reacted with chlorine, form addition products. That means here we can taking ethylene as an example. When ethylene is reacted with chlorine, form 1,2-dichloroethane. This is the addition product. That means the unsaturated compounds reacted with chlorine undergo addition reaction, form an addition products. These are the chemical properties of chlorine. Thank you for watching this video.